Hey guys, welcome back. We're working on my sister-in-law's 2016 Honda CRV. The other day she called me and said, Bob, I have a little bit of noise in my front suspension. Could you check it out? So I went for a road test, took a look, and found out that it's the front stabilizer bar links that are loose and they're making a noise. The noise they make is like a squeaking, kind of like a knocking, squeaky noise. I'll go ahead and I'll show you before we replace them exactly what I'm talking about. All right, hold on a second. I'll just show you right now. So, like I said, it was the stabilizer link, which is this part right here, which is attached to the shock strut, and it goes down and it is attached to the stabilizer bar, which gives you stability when steering in curves. We went ahead and also checked the tie rod. It was fine, and I checked also the ball joint on the bottom here, and everything was fine. So we're gonna just remove these two bolts, one here and one back here, and then we're just gonna replace this link. There's a few tools you can use. You can use a wire brush, a buffer, 17-inch impact gun, or a 17-inch socket with a wrench. I'm going to use my air compressor today to let it go a little bit easier because I'm fortunate to have one. You'd use a pair of vice grips to put one side snap tight so that you can unscrew the exterior nut from the link. I'll do that and then I'll show you guys. All right. As you can see, I stuck the vice grip behind the strut on the other end of the link so that it doesn't move, because now that it's loose and it makes noise, it just spins freely inside the housing of the link. Because basically what's inside here is a ball in a plastic cup with a little bit of grease, and that's what gives you the stability that you need. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and buff it out and then remove it. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the top bolt, and after that we're gonna remove the bottom bolt. I think I might have to heat up the bottom bolt to remove it because it's quite seized in there. All right. So. All right. So there you have it. We removed the link. That was the top one. Came out quite easily just by buffing it and removing it with the impact gun. The bottom one, it was a little bit tougher. It was really jammed in there. I had to heat it up and I had to remove it by hand because there was limited space. As you can see, it bolts right there. So like, this is what basically is the link. It's a nut with a little ball, and it goes into this casing here. And there's grease in there with the boot. Over time, it dries up. The ball moves up and down with the suspension, and the grease dissipates, dries up, and then the plastic gets a little bit drier, so then it has that noise, that squeaking noise inside. So this is what a stabilizer bar link looks like. Different models have different sizes. Some Civics have shorter ones. I think mostly the newer models of vehicles have the longer version of these. So now we're going to go ahead and install the new one. If you have a 2016 CRV, this is the part number. And both sides have the same part number. All right. And there you have it. Brand new link installed. There's a little bit of trouble, but you can do it. It's possible to do in your driveway. If not, you can always go to the garage. The cars lip in the air, and they have experienced technicians that will know how to do it. But yeah, usually you change both links. You change them in a pair just to be sure, because they're both being worn at the same time. Even though one is not making noise, and one is, you might as well just change both of them because you're already there. And you don't want to have to redo the job all over again on the other wheel. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to put back the wheel, and we're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. So again, guys, thanks a lot for coming. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial on changing links on 2016 CRV. If you have any comments or anything, you can leave them down below. Just like to say, if you like these types of contents, please like and share, and please subscribe to my channel. So until next time, guys, have a good one.